If you love the look of colorful festival braids, but every time you add extensions it turns into a messy disaster, I've got you. I'm showing you step by step how to do a double Dutch braid with fit-in extensions and turn them into gorgeous bubble braids. Every hand placement is filmed up close, so even total beginners can nail this and get salon results at home. Let's get into it. We're starting with a simple Dutch braid. Cross your strands under just once to set the base. Then from here we are picking up hair from the sides and adding it in each time we go under. If you want to fully master the Dutch braid once and for all, I highly recommend checking out my double Dutch braid tutorial for beginners. I put the link in the description. As you go, make sure you're keeping a firm hold. That's what keeps the braid tight and clean. Go ahead and tie off the end with a temporary elastic for now. Now we are adding the extensions, and we are doing it the easy way, using a hook. I also pre-divide my extensions beforehand so they are easy to grab as I go. Hold one extension strand in the middle. Push the hook under the first stitch of your braid. Catch the strand and pull it through. That's literally it. This hook method is super beginner friendly. No juggling everything at once. Just adjust so both sides are even. Then keep going and add the rest the same way. Now for the fun part. Just braid the extension hair. Cross under and each time add the next extension. It's that simple. Just keep your tension firm so the braid stays tight and in line. At this point, just combine your natural hair with the extension strands. Split everything into 3 sections and finish with a regular 3-strand braid, crossing the strands under as you go. And just like that, we've got a gorgeous double Dutch braid with extensions. Now for the bubble braid extensions. Totally optional, but it seriously levels up the whole look. All you need is some colorful hair extensions, a hook, hair ties, and mini elastics. Mix different extension colors to create your own creative sections. Style each piece however you like, a bubble braid, a twist, mix it up. There's no wrong way. Once they are ready, just tie them onto your ponytail like a regular hair tie. And that's your colorful festival bubble braids. I hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, a like and subscribe means the world to me. Drop a comment and let me know what style you want to see next. Thanks for watching.